Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay guys, it's finally here. Today is the day where we're going to be finding out what is in this gorgeous baby. I know I've been teasing you guys for weeks saying how amazing it is, and the time has finally come. So if you'd like to learn who won my cremated mystery box giveaway, as well as learn of all the amazing items inside, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so as you know here on my channel, whenever Jeffree Star Cosmetics either does a mystery box or has a launch, I do what I like to call a box filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics for one lucky subscriber here on my channel. And as you guys can see from the past ones we've done, I really take the time to make sure they are out of this park amazing. I feel like everyone deserves to try Jeffree Star Cosmetics, even if you don't have the means, and it's such a great way for me to find new subscribers, new lovers of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like, I have found so many amazing people, and you guys just absolutely love Jeffree Star Cosmetics as much as I do. And yeah, I love doing these for you guys, and definitely know that if you didn't win this time around, please don't be discouraged. Please don't be. That is the last thing that I want, because know that there are a ton more giveaways coming here on this channel. I've been consistently doing them, and I will consistently do them. It literally breaks my heart that I can only pick one giveaway winner, but at least this way I get to unbox the box with you guys, so it's like you're feeling how amazing it is and that excitement. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the box. First of all, Ian, I mean, you literally slayed it. He slayed this packaging. It looks so good. Honestly, whoever wins this, do not throw out this box. Like, how could you? It's so freaking cute. So let's dive right in and see what I put. Okay, let's start with the little guys first. So I have included, boom, 2 glosses from the Cremated collection. So I've included Heaven's Gate as well as Funeral Parlor. Now, as we know, Heaven's Gate was the one that sold out the fastest. It's the one everyone wanted. And now one of you lucky subscribers is going to get to rock this. Now, I did do an in-depth review of these glosses. I don't want to open these and swatch them. I want to keep them nice and fresh for the winner. So if you guys wanted to see swatches of how these guys look, definitely take a look at this video I have linked up here. I did an in-depth gloss review, so definitely check that out. All right, let's see what else I put in here. Ooh, so we have Restraints. This is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lip. So guys, the reason I included this, it's a very silvery-ish kind of topper. I feel like this color just really went along with the rest of the Cremated collection, so I had to include it. And moving on to the next item, and voila, guys, I have included a gorgeous skin frost for you. This is in the shade Siberian Gold. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not gonna open this or swatch it because I want to keep it nice and fresh for the winner. But the size of these, like look at my head. The size of these is giant. Like, you will never fully get through this, and it is a gorgeous color. I can't resist. I'm just gonna show you. It is stunning, guys. It is very wearable. It looks a little bit dark at first, but when you really like work it in and just take a little amount, it is honestly a really universally flattering highlight. So congratulations to the winner. You're gonna win as well a Siberian Gold Skin Frost. And moving on to the next item. So this one we already know, but you are getting the gorgeous Cremated palette. I am so happy for you. After I've used this palette a bunch of times, guys, I love it. It grew on me so fast. You are going to love having this in your collection. I am so happy for the winner. I'm so happy I could be able to give this to you. You are going to be obsessed. And next, it's a little big. Boom, I have included the Black Star Mirror for the winner. Guys, Jeffree Star is known for his little hand mirrors. They're absolutely lovely. I use them all the time when I do my makeup. You will literally love them, and I had to. When I learned that he was restocking the black one, I had to snag this up for you guys. It's such a staple, and it's like the perfect color. It goes with anything. I mean, who's not gonna want a black hand mirror? It's perfect, and it goes perfectly with the Cremated collection. So yeah, guys, this box was amazing, and you think I'd be done. I'm not, though. So as we know, Cremated is a very grayscale, very black and white kind of smoky, deeper, darker palette. And right now is summertime, so I don't really know how useful that's gonna be. I feel like you're definitely gonna need a splash of color in there. And so I've included the Thirsty palette. Oh my God, congratulations to the winner. As you guys know, this is no longer available. He is not selling this palette anymore, and guys, it is stunning. This palette is absolutely stunning. It's perfect for the summer, especially in combination with the Cremated palette. I am so happy to be able to gift this to you. Guys, I love to be able to give you guys Jeffree Star Cosmetics. When I tell you I so heavily support the brand, I truly mean it. Now, I don't mean about all the drama and everything that accompanies Jeffree Star. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the makeup. I am obsessed with his brand. I think it is top of the line amazing, and I am so happy that I'm able to do these giveaways for you guys. And yeah, guys, that's it for this mystery box giveaway. I really hope you loved what was inside, and congratulations to the winner. I'm gonna throw up her Instagram here. Congratulations. Thank you so much for your support. I am so grateful for you. Thank you for always leaving the sweetest, nicest comments and always just taking the time to actually care. I'm so happy that you get to enjoy this package. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, guys, again, do not be discouraged if you didn't win this giveaway. Keep in mind that I have one more Cremated palette that I am going to be doing a giveaway of, so definitely don't be discouraged. You still have a chance to win. And please, guys, if you like this style of video, if you want me to keep doing these giveaways, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. I'm so curious to know. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.